Hello followers and my very good people. I am Dr. Samuel Mustafa, CEO of your favorite online digital television, IFAKO-IJAIYE Television. Let me firstly and profoundly appreciate your support so far, especially considering our humble and modest genesis. I must confess that your invaluable and diverse contributions have in no small way and in no small measure propelled us to this level. We most sincerely appreciate this. In reality of this, we can only reciprocate with a renewed IFAKO-IJAIYE Television. In achieving this, our well-motivated management and staff have committed their professional and personal virtues geared towards evolving a better and improved IFAKO-IJAIYE Television, ultimately ensuring a better service delivery as promised. Expectedly and interestingly, our programs, contents, anchors, schedules, and editorial philosophy will be overhauled to serve you better. Once again, we thank you, we appreciate you. God bless you.
Gbangba la ṣanta àwọ̀ kí ìlú mọ̀, Olúwa ló fi rán wa, adé ọ̀kín òjò tẹ̀yẹ̀kẹ́yẹ.